Tangent 5 pi over 6. So let's change the 5 pi over 6 to degrees. 6 goes into 180 30 times, so that's going to be 150. 150 is right here, which makes 30 degrees. So sine is positive in the second quadrant, and we're doing tangent. So our answer is going to be negative tangent 30, and tangent 30 is square root of 3 over 3. So our answer is going to be negative square root of 3 over 3. 7, 180 over 6, which is 30, which is 210. And 210 is right here. That makes 30 degrees. And tangent is positive this time in the third quadrant. So we just have to do tangent 30. So this answer is going to be positive square root of 3 over 3. And then if you remember on previous lessons, if we have a unit circle, our cosine of our answer is x, and our sine of our answer is y. And if we're doing 2 pi right here, that's the same thing as 360 or 0. So that means that we're going to be on the x-axis. And that, when you're on the axes or axes of x or y, just find the coordinate that you'd be on. So if it's 0, you're going to be on the positive x. If it's 90, you're going to be on the positive y. If it's 180, you're going to be on the negative x. And if it's 270, you're going to be on the negative y. So on this is 360. And secant is the reciprocal of cosine. And if cosine is our x, then we would take the reciprocal of 1, and the reciprocal of 1 is 1. 5, 180 over 3, which is 60, which is 300, which is right here. So if this is 300, then this is 60. And what is positive in the fourth quadrant? Cosine. And we're doing cotangent. So this is going to be negative cotangent, because cotangent and tangent are negative in the fourth quadrant, of 60. And what is cotangent 60? Square root of 3 over 3. So this is going to be negative square root of 3 over 3. (11) 180 over 6, which is 30. So 330. All of this is 330, so this is 30. And cosine is positive here, and we're doing cosecant, which is the reciprocal of sine. So our answer is going to be negative cosecant 30. And cosecant 30 is 2, so our answer is going to be negative 2. Negative 45 degrees, you're again in the fourth quadrant, and cosine is the only thing positive in the fourth quadrant, and this is 45. And so this is going to be negative because it's sine, cosecant and sine, cosecant 45, and cosecant 45 is square root of 2, so this is negative square root of 2. 135 is right here, which makes the reference angle of 45, and sine is the only thing positive here, and we're doing cosine, so it'd be negative cosine 45. Cosine 45 is square root of 2 over 2, so this is going to be negative square root of 2 over 2. Negative pi over 2 is negative 90. Negative 90 is on the y-axis, so it'd be 0, negative 1. Cotangent, well, let's just talk about tangent. Tangent is y over x, so cotangent is x over y. So our x is 0, our y is -1, and if 0 is on top, then 0 is your answer. -5, 180 over 4, which is 45, which is -225. -225 is right here, which makes a 45-degree angle. And sine is the only thing positive in the second quadrant. So our answer is going to be negative cosine 45. And cosine 45 is square root of 2 over 2. So this is negative square root of 2 over 2.